In the recent past, I've heard my clients blame their mind. What do I mean? I hear statements like, Varkha, my mind told me to eat more, so I ate. My mind told me that if I said something, I would be laughed at, so I kept quiet. My mind told me, take a loan for that holiday, so I took that loan. Do you see the theme? Yes, all of them blaming their mind as if they are the victims of it. Welcome. Welcome to today's episode of How to slap our minds into shape. Why do I say that? Because whether we do well in life or not, to a large extent, depends on how victorious we are over our minds and not victims of it. But why do we usually believe that it's everything that controls us? I think it's because of some of the mumbo jumbo that has been spread and we've been brainwashed by. Okay, worship your mind over matter. Your mind is a palace, your mind is a temple. If you think you can do it, you will do it. And all these kind of phrases and proverbs that are sold to us, unfortunately, make us erroneously believe that we have no charge over our mind. Today, I have seen successful people actually do quite the opposite. They are usually able to enslave their mind and not become slaves to it. What do I mean? They teach their mind. They guide it, they direct it, they mentor it. They do things which allows them to have power over it and not the other way around. How can we teach our minds? A few tips. 1. Let's learn how to challenge, debate, question, argue, and not agree with everything that our mind tells us to do. 2. See it as a part of our anatomy. That means treat it like any other part of the body that requires training. When you train a significant part of our body, you usually find that that body gives us what we want. That means we are able to lift weights. Likewise, we are able to build stamina. We are able to use the mind to give us the results that we desire. And 3, if we want to be masters of our mind, it is important for us to teach it, train it, question it, and discard all the nonsensical ideas that unfortunately we gather into it. Try it and see. If you like what you hear, please do hit the like button. Please do share my video and continue to write to me at varkha@varkhachulani.com. Till next week, it's goodbye and thank you.